team, we need to talk. I'm tired of this. Every year we pull that sled through all kinds of weather. And what do we get in return?
A carrot? Maybe it's celery stalk here for Lucky. I'm just not feeling appreciated anymore.
And I can't stand that endless jingling of bells. My ears are always ringing, even in June.
I say we strike. No more sleigh pulling until our demands are met.
Yeah, the elves almost went on strike last year, but they weren't elf enough to go on with it. I say we strike.
Exactly, a reindeer revolution.
Now hold on, guys. Let's think this through. We need to be reasonable here.
If we want to get any of these changes made, we have to approach this carefully.
Donner's right. We need a plan, but we'll get nowhere with the big guy if we just refuse to work with that solid list of requests.
Yeah. All right, team, what do we want?
More hay and the good stuff. All that twilit stuff we get after Christmas. I want gourmet hay all year round. And maybe some organic apples. Pears are fine and all, but I'm starting to turn orange. We could use a little variety, and I don't think he'll stand to share some of his cookies with us on Christmas Eve. Goodness knows he eats millions of those on the 24th.
I, for one, would like more spotties. We only get pampered and spruced up for the big day. Why not have more spotties, like on our birthdays or Valentine's Day?
And I want the works. An extra sudsy bath, to tangle the fur, hoof care. That's what look her best, you know.
How about a little music variety? Every year Santa insists on playing Jingle Bells over and over and over during the entire ride. How about some upbeat tunes from Mariah Carey, or at least something with fewer bells, because I feel like I'm going nuts.
Yeah, and no more working blizzards without proper gear. We need cozy gear to keep us warm. We need fur-lined coats, leg warmers, snow goggles to protect our eyes from the harsh winds and snowflakes. We also need hoof warmers to tread at the bottom so we're not slipping off rooftops.
How about more vacation days? After one very intense night each year, we deserve more time off. Iron Santa's going to Hawaii in the new year. We need a break too. How about a 2-week vacation to a warm, sunny destination instead of going right back to the North Pole for sleigh names? A little self-care is all I'm asking for.
You know what I'm sick of? The same old boring reindeer games with blind girls. I want something more exciting. We could have virtual reality reindeer games or a friendly game of football. I even think karaoke night would be a big hit. Or themed costume parties. We're stuck in a rut and we need to jazz things up.
Look, since no one else has said it yet, I'll say it. We need more bathroom breaks. One night is a long journey, and there are not enough scheduled bathroom breaks. How about scheduling a few more pit stops so we can stop to take care of business and stretch our legs?
And the stables. They are too small and outdated. We need bigger stables, heated floors, and stainless steel feeding stations.
Look, I don't want to upset anyone, but a little more recognition would hurt. I mean, Rudolph, don't get me wrong, you're great, but it's not fair to get all the glory and all the spotlight. You have your own movie, your own song, and you get to lead the sled. It's not fair on us. We want a song and movie of our own.
You think I like all this fame? You think I like this red nose? You think I like being the butt of everyone's jokes? I know what you guys say about me behind my back, and it's a lot of pressure guiding that sleigh. Sometimes I like to take it easy like you guys and take a back break.
I don't call you names.
You're saying our job is easy? I thought all of us were equally important. Back break, you work just as hard as you, buddy. Who do you think you're talking to, Lightbulb?
Guys, stop fighting!
If we don't stick together, then we won't be able to get anything done.
Donner's right again. I'm sorry, Rudolph. I'm just really stressed.
Hey, it's okay. No hard feelings. It really is a stressful time.
No more silent suffering.
We're gonna change the North Pole forever. To the rain